Hello friends, in this session we will discuss how to join many ggplots together as subplots of bigger plot panel. The subplots can be individually annotated or the entire panel will be annotated, or subplots can have their own annotation and the plot panel will also have its own annotation. This comes handy to present related plots to communicate data all at once, to understand it better or to compare it better. Let's start. Go to File, New File, take our script and save that as file in non-OS drive. I store in RWorks and name of that file is patchwork demo. First install the package install.packages patchwork. Alternatively, you can install through menu tools, install packages and type the name of the package there and click install. Package will get installed. I have installed it. I will not install it again. I will just call the library patchwork, and along with this I will require library ggplot also, because on the base ggplot patchwork will be done. ggplot2 is required and libraries got attached. Let's get our first plot object P, and to that I will assign ggplot, and in this ggplot I am going to use dataset iris for demonstration purpose, and aesthetic mapping I am going to use geom_ylin. Therefore x-axis will be species and y-axis will be sepal dot length, and this fill attribute I am going to map to variable species, so that three species will be shown in different colors, and color attributes also I will map to species. Let's see the results and the base object. This P is the base plot object. Now we'll attach the geom to it. P1 will be the object, and to the object P I will add geom_violin, and let's see the result. P1, that geom_violin is there. Now I will just do some changes to this P1 to get the P2. Alt minus P1 plus gj title, that is geom_violin with title, and that P2 we will see. Run that, and title is there. In plot P3 I will just specify the theme to plot object P2. Theme black and white I will specify, and we'll run that. We'll see what is P3. Theme got changed, and in P4 I will just add subtitle to P3, that using labs argument subtitle is equal to just the fourth plot, so dummy one, and we'll see the fourth one P4, and the subtitle is there. Now we have four plot objects and we can't appreciate those separately from each other. That P2 we will see, P3 we will see, and P4 we will see. We can't appreciate the differences or similarities between. To add those together, we'll just add those as using the plus operator, P1 plus P2, and you can see that patchwork will attach those together. Both plots are together. In P1 that title is not there, in P2 title is there. We can have plus P3, the 3 together, and P4, the 4 plot objects together. We can have 2 plot objects on upper panel, or 2 rows. These two we will combine in a bracket. In the lower row, that P3 plus P4. Two rows of plots are there, 4 plots together, and we can compare those now very easy and effectively. If we want P1 at the top one, P2, P3 plus P4 like this, we will see what happens. That P2 and P3 are in a single column and P4 is a next column. That function or significance of backslash operator you may have understood. We will go to annotate all this together. I will give it name patch, assign it the plot object, patched object, and to this I will add annotation. We'll remove this P3 plus P4. To this patch I will annotate by adding the annotation layer patch plus plot dot annotation, plot underscore annotation that is, and we'll put here that tags, tag underscore label, that each subplot will get a label for that is equal to label name, and when we run that, patch is not found. We'll run this and we'll run that. 4 subplots will get annotated with letters A, B, C and D. Now to this we'll add tag prefix, and that will be figure, and we'll run this to see the effect. That figure A, figure B, figure C, figure D is there. Now to this we will add title of the entire panel, plot panel, patchwork package has patch 4 plots together. Quite long title, and that title is there. We can have subtitle also if we want. Subtitle is equal to my subtitle dummy thing. Then caption also for the entire one, caption patchwork, and that comma is required here at the end. I will put that comma and we'll run that and we'll see the results. That caption is also there, patchwork, subtitle is there. That's all for this session. Now you have understood and have appreciated how easy it is to patch together many subplots in a bigger plot object. You can annotate individually the subplots, and you can annotate the bigger patchworked plot object also. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please click like button. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe and share this with your friends. Please hit bell icon if you want notifications of my new videos. Thank you.